How to set up Linksys RE6700. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Connect the RE6700 to a power outlet near your router and wait for the light to turn solid. Step 2. Connect to the extender network. On your device, connect to the Wi-Fi network named Linksys Extender Setup. Step 3. Access Setup page. Open a browser and visit http://extender.linksys.com. Step 4. Create an account. Follow prompts to set up a Linksys account or log in if you already have one. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. Choose the network you want to extend from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Step 6. Enter Wi-Fi password. Input the password of your router's Wi-Fi network. Step 7. Place the extender. Move the RE6700 to a location midway between the router and the area with poor signal. Step 8. Check signal strength. Use the extender's signal light to find the best location. Step 9. Reconnect devices. Connect your devices to the extended network, SSID with _EXT suffix. Step 10. Save settings, confirm settings and test internet connectivity.